everyone, today's ride is a 2024 BMW X5 xDrive 40i, and that is an all-wheel drive inline 6-cylinder with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. So we're going to take it through the 8-speed Sport Automatic offered here. This is an M Sport Package Pro application to this X5. So let's take you through some of the gears. Now remember, the beauty of a BMW is weight distribution. So nearly half the weight on the front of the car, half the weight on the back, and this is a rear wheel biased setup for the drive system. So with these 22-inch wheels, you can really feel the rear grab, and you're still always in control with this BMW driving dynamics. Sounding so good. We probably handle a lot better than this Camaro in front of us. Now you had 375 horsepower in the X5 as standard.